Roll number 32, huh?
Yes, sir.
How's the exam, man?
Oh, it was very easy, sir. The fourth question. I think there was a mistake in the fourth question.
No mistakes on our verified. I put an answer key also in the group. Go check.
Oh, I was talking about the answer key.
Oh, mistake in the answer key. I'll look into it, huh? Start with the Viva. First question. Viva is for 10 marks. Okay. Theory was for 20 marks. First question is, what's Ohm's law?
Ohm's law. When you start talking about Ohm's law, we have to start talking about Ohm. Ohm basically invented Ohm's law. That's why it's called Ohm's law, right? Common sense. So Ohm's law comes under electrostatics. No, wait. Magnetostatics. No, wait. It comes under current electricity chapter. So, no, wait. It comes out of physics, basically. So Ohm's law basically states that when there's a current passing through a circuit, there's an equal and opposite current flowing through the other side of the circuit. And that's Ohm's law.
What's Newton's third law, man?
Newton's third law. So Newton's third law states that every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Wait. So isn't that same as Ohm's law? So wait, Newton and Ohm are same.
So much you prepared. One last question I'll ask. Okay. What is a resistor? Don't give me history, geography and all. I want only what is resistor.
What's a resistor? So resistors can be easily identified from a circuit. Look at a circuit and look at the part where there are scratches. That's a resistor. So what does resistor do? When there is anything that's flowing through the circuit and goes through the resistor basically resists. So you get it, right? It blocks whatever goes through the resistor. So
yeah, I get it. Yeah, I've graded you also. You can leave. Fine. Hope you pass in theory paper.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Roll number 33.
No, sir. 35, sir.
What are you doing here?
Sir, why?
I'm going in order, Marco. Leave.
No, sir. They were okay with it, sir. So I've studied everything, sir. So I want to finish early, sir. Please, sir. Please, sir. Sir, please, sir.
No. I'm going in order. Don't piss me off. Leave.
Okay, sir.
You're roll number 33 only now.
Yeah, I'm 33. So, am I 33?
What?
No, sir. 32, 35, 36. Yes, I'm 33. Sure.
You sure you've come for Viva, right?
Viva? So physics Viva, right?
Yeah, physics Viva.
Physics, yeah. Sure.
Oh, good. At least sure about that. Your first question. If I give you V is 50 volts, I is 10 amperes, what's the resistance?
V is 50, I is 10. So, 5 ohms?
Good.
No, sir, for 4 ohms.
Okay.
No, sir, for 5, sure, 5.
Wait, what do you people think? I'm jobless or something?
No, sir. No, sir, yes, sir. I don't know, sir.
Out.
Sir, please, sir. Sir, I'm very sorry, sir. No, sir, you're not jobless, sir. Please, sir.
One last question and then your Viva's done. Give me the formula for power.
Okay. Power. I square R, V square R, sir.
I knew it. Formula was V square by R and I square R, and I knew you would say V square R. Done, pa. Your Viva's done. You can leave. Amazing. Nice. Really good. Call 34.
Okay, sir.
Roll number 34. Is 34 absent?
No, he's right outside, sir.
No, right? Call 34.
They were okay with it, sir. I want to finish it off, sir. Please, sir.
No.
Sir, please.
No. Okay, fine. For 5 marks, I'll take maximum.
Sir, please. No need. Fine, I'll call him.
Hey, 34, come in now. Roll number 34.
Yes, sir.
So your question is, I give you 3 resistances, each of 2 ohms, connected in series.
So if R is in series and R equivalent is equal to 2 plus 2 plus 2, that's equal to 6 ohms, sir. And if R is in parallel, 1 by R equivalent is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3, that's equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, that's equal to 3 by 2, that's equal to 2 by 3, sir. And answer 2 by 3 ohms.
Excellent. Amazing. Correct. Nice. One last question, then you can leave. What is the formula for?
So power is equal to V square by R, also is equal to I square R, and also V is equal to I into R, where V is voltage, I is current, and R is resistance, sir.
Wow. Wow, sick. 10, see. 10, full.
So, thank you, sir. I knew it, sir. Thank you, sir.
Nice, huh? Call the next person.
Sir, roll number 35.
Odd man, no patience, huh? 10-15 minutes also you can't wait. Do one thing, come tomorrow morning. Finish it off. Now it's a little bit late now. I have to go home. So, tomorrow morning. Okay?
So, no. No, sir, no, please, no.